So for a change, I've done something stupid.
It's this one's fault.
I was made aware of something on the internet and it really tickled my fancy. So I've brought Simon along, which that was another mistake I made. I told Simon about it. So we are going to go and have a look at something that we think needs saving.
Because it's got some historical importance.
Yes, but it's something that could really benefit Surinder.
Yeah.
Get her materials over to her, or it could be her tender.
Yeah.
Or we could open our own division of the Navy.
The Navy. But it's actually older than Surinder, potentially.
Yes,
we don't quite know the actual exact year, but we think it's slightly older.
Yeah.
So.
Right, I don't know how this is going. I don't know how this is going to play out, but let's see how it goes.
What have you brought us to see?
A duck, a DUKW, which is an American amphibious vehicle used in World War II. It's a bit poorly.
So it's a 6-cylinder petrol. I'm not quite sure on the capacity or anything like that, but actually looks in quite good nick, and apparently it ran when it came in here. Basically, mechanically it's there. It looks complete mechanically, like transmissions, drives, all that sort of stuff. The only thing I've noticed that's missing is the propeller. I'm not sure if you can see, but here's the steering column. There's some cables. So I'm guessing these cables wrap around here. And that's what turns the prop, turns the rudder. So that's the bow, or the inside of the bow anyway. Bit worse for wear. So we're in the cab stroke wheelhouse. All the old steering, all the gears, all the other ones that I don't know what they do. Handbrake, yeah, the handbrake's good, at least it's been left off. There's some little manifolds here, which is probably something to do with the bilge pump system. They're all free, move, weirdly. Proper stuff back then, wasn't it? So obviously none of this is original. How many miles it's done? Let's say 1100 miles. It's only done 1100 miles! So there's some sort of transfer box. I'm guessing this one goes off to the prop, because there's another drive shaft here which goes to another transfer box which goes to, like, it looks like the handbrake. There's the chassis. The actual chassis is in pretty good condition. It's pretty solid. So that looks like the brake servo. If you look down there, that's one of the mechanical bilge pumps, or centrifugal bilge pump. And then we're looking out here. Obviously, I won't keep any water back, would it? So now on the port side, which I think this is where the fuel tank was, maybe? Oh, there's a big open space here. Looking back at the chassis. Chassis is good. So we've got the start of the tunnel there, which the drive comes out of, which I think provides the drive to the wheels, to the axles. You're gonna buy it, Gemma, or what?
My head is saying run as fast as you possibly can in the opposite direction. But then your heart goes, well, if someone doesn't fix it, it's literally going to be brushed away in a few years. Well, you know, practically getting brushed away now, but it's at that turning point, isn't it, where someone either does it now or it never gets done and it goes to scrap.
I personally think it's a bit beyond, because you don't know what all the transmissions like, all the internals are like. Apparently it drove in there in 2010. How long ago was that?
13 years ago.
13 years ago. Or no, it ran in 2010.
So that was interesting, wasn't it?
What do you think?
I just don't know. I don't know whether it's a project that we should take on.
It's the time.
But then if we don't take it on, who is? What's going to happen to it? And will it just go off for scrap? Because without crazy people like us,
Yeah.
there's not going to be much history left in the world anymore, is there? Our heads are like, no.
We're gonna sit on it and mull it over for a few days.
What do you guys think?
He was crazy as us. And we're crazy. And if we say no.
Or is there anyone else out there that would want to take on this project?
Yeah. You need a big workshop.
It's a big project.
Yeah.
The duck itself, what is it, 31 foot long?
Yes. 6.5 ton.
But it's a car and a boat in one.
And you don't pay any tax or MOT or...
Yeah, it's tax exempt, MOT exempt.
So we can technically start it up, get it running there and drive it home.
Well, that was fun. But for now, we're gonna go and do some thinking.
Yeah.
A lot of thinking. See you all later.
Bye.